story that I hear about Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's situation have made me to cancel everything I'm doing this Christmas to think otherwise. Listen to me very carefully. I want every Igbo man or lovers of freedom to watch this video from beginning to end. It's going to be a special video where I want to ask Ndi Igbo a very important question for us to answer. Ndi Igbo, where is Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? For most of you people that don't know Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, let me remember you who Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is from Umuahia in Afruku Ebeku. His father is also Eze. His mother is also Lolo. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu his mother and the father died after the invasion of his home by the Nigerian army. So what Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is fighting for? The same cause that Dimodumegwu Ojukwu fight for the freedom of Ndi Igbo, for the freedom of Biafran, for freedom of people here today call themselves Sasat. That is what Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is fighting for. And they said no, the marginalization of we has become too much and they have to end. So Nigeria government incarcerated Nnamdi Kanu for over 3 years now, and Nnamdi Kanu has been in DSS custody, not in prison. Following all the whole court order, free him, allow the lawyers to visit him. All these laws has been violated by the Nigerian government. For over 6 months now, the lawyers have not set their eyes on Nnamdi Kanu, even to hear from him. They have tried everything possible that they can do to reach out to Nnamdi Kanu. No way. So, is Nnamdi Kanu still in DSS custody? What is wrong? What happened to Nnamdi Kanu? Nobody knows till today. That I'm not asking Ndi Igbo. If Nnamdi Kanu were a Yoruba man or a Fulani or Hausa man, will Nnamdi Kanu be denied this access? Will Nnamdi Kanu be in DSS custody till today? The answer is capital no. Ndi Igbo, why have we sold our conscience with money? Why have we sold ourselves out in exchange of money? Because I know that the people behind this Nnamdi Kanu income, that's the people that behind this Nnamdi Kanu detention in DSS. If you check it very well, 90% of them, their hand is from Igbo land. If you check it very well, 90% is an Igbo people. Then I'm asking you people, what is wrong with us? What have Nnamdi Kanu does wrong? Because he said no. Fulani, stop coming to our land with cow to buy us. He said no. The infrastructure you people are diverting to Lagos, Abuja, bring to Southeast, allow us access to have things. That is the crime of Nnamdi Kanu today. So my people, I am asking Ndi Igbo, why have we sold our conscience this much? Why are we so wicked that we cannot protect who is protecting us? We can't fight for our own self. Why are we so wicked? Are we waiting until what happened to the Israelites happened to us before we will wake up? Are we waiting until when as in those of you that is under 40 now, when you people, all of you, they will buy all of you people, before then our born children will not stand up again, will not reborn, and they will start fighting for the cause that we fail to fight because we want to collect money. We are busy for business. So we have property in Jos, we have property in this, we don't want to stay our own. No, we don't want. Where is Nnamdi Kanu? Ndi Igbo, what is our problem? What is our problem? Who do this to us? Look at the humiliation they are pouring on Ndi Igbo face. Look at you people who claim you know best, you have best, you have money, you do this one, you do that one, but look at the humiliation they are giving us. A man who stand and said, no, enough is enough for his own people. And because of that, they are persecuting him today. And none Igbos can't say, if we people don't want Nnamdi Kanu to speak to us, we are going to shut down everywhere we have business for complete 1 month. Let the heaven fall. We cannot do it because you want money. You want money. After making that money, you use it to travel to UK. You will use that same money to travel to America to look for a better life. Go and read the history of America, the UK, the Germany, where you are traveling to. They fought a strong wars before they become what they are today. Yes, we have had a civil war. The civil war should be a lesson where every one of us will sit back and draw a very strong map for us to build a strong defense. Then one man stand up and said, no, enough is enough. And you people gathered and hold him in DSS. None of you want to stand up and say, hey, enough is enough. We're ending this thing here. Either you release him or let there be war. Nigeria government will release Nnamdi Kanu. How many people are they going to buy? If you buy me, I buy you. Why are we so afraid? What is happening? Who do this to us? Anybody that fought war should be stronger and stronger and stronger and stronger, but we are weaker. Does that mean that the spirit of those who died in the world, we are not the real people? Does that mean that we did not react, that we didn't come back to life again? What is happening to us? I'm making this video heart full of anger. Why did we sold our conscience just for money? Why can't all the whole Igbos all over the world in Nigeria rise up and say if Nnamdi Kanu is not released, every damn place will have business with bosses, and anybody who touch our business, that person will get down with that person. Let us see if the government is not going to release Nnamdi Kanu. And none of us want to do anything. We are working as if it's not our business. This Biafra issue, no put matter, no concern me. We are working as if it's not our business. When their court have set him free, then what are you waiting for? If we go and protest, yes, they will buy us. But this is not a reason of being afraid for us not to speak out our right anymore. What is happening? Where is those armies that Nnamdi Kanu raised up? What is going on? You see, the part that paid me so much in this thing is dues. It's dues. This is the part that paid me so much. This is why people love confidence in you guys. Even though Nnamdi Kanu is inside there telling you people, let us wait, let us wait. Yes, we can wait, but there's things that we can do that will shock this government, that will make them say, leave Nnamdi Kanu, because the court did not find anything in him. Why are they still holding in Nnamdi Kanu? That rather will come on social media to fight autopilot. Simon Ekpa is in the prison. Is it the discussion that was supposed to happen, or why haven't we heard from Nnamdi Kanu for over 6 months now? What is our problem? What is actually our problem? I'm going to play this video by the lawyer for you to hear and understand that something is going wrong with Nnamdi Kanu, and nobody don't want to tell us. We don't want us to know what is going on, and all of us keep quiet. We want to celebrate your Christmas. Where is Nnamdi Kanu? Let us watch this video before we come back and continue.
Hello, my people. For those of you who are asking me about the whereabouts of Nnamdi Kanu, whether Nnamdi Kanu has been released, what is happening to his case, whether we have seen him and what have you. For a couple of days now, I have received several calls within and outside the shore of this country, Nigeria, and people are trying to say that they saw a trending news that Nnamdi Kanu has been released, that we had that we went to court of appeal, why we went to court of appeal, and what have you been explaining. But I feel that it is nice for me to make this video so that everybody will understand the position of things. As we speak now, I, Maxon Opera, a member of the legal team of Nnamdi Kanu, have now set my eye on Nnamdi Kanu or hear from him since 24th day of September 2024 when we went to court last. I don't know why the DSS decided to behave in this manner, simply because Nnamdi Kanu told the judge that I have lost confidence in you. I don't think that I will get justice from their court. You have been biased. He marshaled out his reasons, and the judge said, okay, I have heard. I'm going to send the file back to CJ for the assignment for another judge to hear it, which is normal. It is admissible in practice of law. Now, since that day up to now, the DSS practically refused us access to Nnamdi Kanu. I don't know whether Nnamdi Kanu is alive. I don't know whether he's still in DSS custody in Abuja. I don't know his whereabouts as his lawyer. We have been going there severally because there is a valid and subsisting court order directing DSS to allow Nnamdi Kanu's lawyer, his family members, friends and well-wishers to be visiting him twice every week, Mondays and Thursdays. That order, DSS in their usual way flouted that order. And this is one of the things that made us to file from 48. And we also applied to court, asking court, look at our challenges. We, under section 36 of the Constitution, somebody that is facing criminal trial has a right of adequate time and facility within which to prepare for his defense. They refuse us access. We don't have adequate time and facility to prepare Nnamdi Kanu for his defense. And we challenge. That's one of the things that brought us to court. So for those of you who are asking whether Nnamdi Kanu has been released, he has not been released. Whether I have seen him, I have not seen him. Whether I know his whereabouts, I don't know his whereabouts. If you should ask me, yes, God said that he should be detained in DSS. I don't know whether he's still there. That I will tell you because they refused me access to see him. That one is on that. On why we went to court, of appeal yesterday. We went to court of appeal because we have 3 appeals which we filed from the High Court to court of appeal. What are the issues? The first one is Supreme Court. Remember that we got judgment in court of appeal. Where court of appeal, the 3-man panel said that Nnamdi Kanu discharged Nnamdi Kanu from all the whole charges. 2, that the way a man of Nnamdi Kanu is brought from Kenya to Nigeria, they condemn it. They condemn all the actions of the government and order that Nnamdi Kanu should be released immediately. They refuse to comply with that order. I'm talking about the SSS and the federal government. They refuse to comply with that order until 8 days. When we wanted to take the director of the SSS on contempt proceedings, they quickly filed notice of appeal and what the court notice of appeal against that judgment to Supreme Court and filed motion for stay in a criminal matter. Now we went to Supreme Court. Supreme Court, after hearing our matter, agreed that Nnamdi Kanu never done bail. Agreed that the court ought not have revoked his bail. Agreed that the way a man Nnamdi Kanu is brought from Kenya to Nigeria here is unlawful. They also condemned the actions of the federal government of invading Nnamdi Kanu South with Operation Python Dance, the military, the army, the soldiers. They condemned this act and said that we should go back to the federal high court and Nnamdi Kanu should not face the trial. We don't have a problem about that. We agreed. Now we brought this judgment to the court, so you can now see what the Apex Court said. Not court of appeal this time, but Supreme Court. Please, can you reinstate the bail of Nnamdi Kanu? They said that we ought not have revoked his bail. He refused. She refused. The judge refused. We appeal against that. Now the law under which they charge Nnamdi Kanu, that Terrorism Prevention Act, has been repealed. It's no longer in existence. We say since the law is no longer in existence, what are you still charging him? Court, please, based on that, discharge him. The judge refused. We appeal against that. Now we apply to have adequate time and facility with Nnamdi Kanu, asking court to order that they should allow us to have free access to prepare him. That order was not made. We appeal against it. These are the three issues that took us to court of appeal. Then yesterday, the matter was hard. So on the issue of the assessment of his bail, they said that the record of proceedings of that particular day, the judge invoked his bail, was not there. And we told the court that we applied. Look at what they gave us. Even when they demanded it, they said this is what they give us. That's the order. The panel said that we should go back to that place and brought that record of that particular record of proceedings of that day. So, and I joined the matter 13th of January. The question is that why 13th of January? Somebody that is under incarceration. So the that one is the top of the matter. We have applied. We are following it up. The other two appeals was supposed to have, and they said that they have adjourned for judgment and they will communicate to us on the date of the judgment. Now on Monday, I think that was on the 14th. On the 14th Monday, we went to 14th of October. That's the previous Monday, Monday this week. We went to DSSS, applied again for us to see Nnamdi Kanu, for us to have a discussion with him. If he's still with them, if he's still alive, for us to have a discussion with him against the matter that came up yesterday, 17th of October. We went to that place. Brethren, they refused us. First of all, when we came, they said that all the lawyers from Nnamdi Kanu should back outside the express, then and walk in their premises with lead, which we did. Whereas other lawyers that came to see their clients, we are also allowed inside to go into their car. They said that we should not go inside with our phone, that we should drop our phones in the car, which we did. But when we were in the reception, we saw other lawyers, our colleagues who came to see their clients also, they were with their phones in the reception, waited. They were busy calling lawyers who are seeing their clients until remaining us. Around 5 out of them about they come and tell us that we're going to see Nnamdi Kanu. Why? That the order is on above. Against court order, that was why we suspected something must have happened. So that is the position we find ourselves. And I am calling the people of Nigeria. This persecution of Nnamdi Kanu is too much, especially the people from Southeast. This persecution is too much, and this is the high time everybody should join hands. The lawyers, the civil society group, the political leaders, the religious leaders, and what have you, to protest against this. Nnamdi Kanu is a freedom fighter, he's not a terrorist, everybody knows. You said that he made a comment. A comment of what? People have made comments more than the one Nnamdi Kanu said that Nnamdi Kanu has made in this country, including the wife of the president. During the time when they were campaigning for election of 2023, he said that people should leave. Oba of Lagos said that people should go and die in Lagoon. People refused people to come and vote in Lagos. Open threatening, nothing happened. Nobody charged for terrorism. It's only Nnamdi Kanu. The people that we see that have committed the act of terrorism in this country, they were allowed to go. It's only Nnamdi Kanu. This persecution of Nnamdi Kanu is getting out of hand. So I'm calling everybody to join hands to fight against this injustice against Nnamdi Kanu. Summarily, just to inform you, I don't know the way about of Nnamdi Kanu as we speak. Thanks and God bless you.
I also want to remember you people one thing. Nnamdi Kanu is a graduate. He graduated in London. So Nnamdi Kanu has 90% of good life that he wanted is from royal family. Nnamdi Kanu may have a connection that may change his life, but this man decided to fight for the freedom of you and I. So the only way you can pay him back is say, "It no concern you. It no concern you. I beg, make una no carry this Biafra matter come my side though." That is the only way you will pay this man back. But however, let all the whole Igbos rise up against this injustice on us, or we will perish. Mark this word. That money you made, that houses you built, You will build it, but you cannot live inside. When that time comes, do not say that there's one boy, one useless boy that speak in the one channel called Balabas G's. Don't forget that this thing, he said it on this day being 11 December 2024. If Igbos fail to rise up against this injustice on Nnamdi Kanu, we're going to perish forever. Just watch and see what will happen to us with that money, that business brain, without all the whole thing that we have. We will perish when looking for money. Share this video.